Hello everyone, my name is Jose. Today I'm going to talk a very basic function in Excel VBA called MsgBox. This displays a message in the dialog box for you and for users. For example, when I click on this red cross, this message is a message box for users. So let's get started. First what I want to do is we want to display Hello World in the dialog box. And we want to make sure we click on the Developer tab, and then there's this Visual Basic option. So you click Visual Basic, and then you can see there's Objects and then Modules. So you go to Modules, right-click Modules, and then Insert a Module. So this thing is called Module 6. I have a lot of modules here already. So what we want to input is sub. There are two different things in Excel VBA. First thing is function and the second is sub. What are the differences? Function is when you input something and you want Excel VBA to return you a result. That is function. And for sub, it's basically an action that does not require a result. For example, MsgBox here, we are not expecting Excel to do some calculation and return us 1 to 3. So we are sure that we need to use sub in this case. And we give this sub a new name. I'm just gonna be saying MsgBox 1. Okay, and then you do double bracket and you press enter, so it automatically fill you this line of end sub. And now let's put the main body. So what we want is hello world, right? So this function is MsgBox, and then you do a quotation mark. Sorry, I need to put space here. Quotation mark, and you say hello world. And now this is our main body. So if we click on this green triangle thing, run it, and you will see this pop-up window says hello world. Very easy, right? And now let's move on to the second question. Display do you like coffee with yes or no options. So this is just an add-on to our previous one. And now I want to introduce another thing called dim. And I'm going to talk about it in a minute. MsgBox 1. So dim MsgBox 1 is basically declaring that there is this variable MsgBox 1 in the Excel VBA, so that later when we use it, Excel knows that, okay, we already declared it, it's okay to use it. So now I'm going to say MsgBox 1 equals MsgBox bracket, and then do you like coffee? Close the bracket and comma. So we can see there are a lot of options right here, and if we scroll down, you can see there's a VB yes or no, and that's what we want. So we press tab, and then it's automatically there, and then we close the bracket. So now this is our new MsgBox, and let's see how it works. Do you like coffee? Yes or no? Great. So this is a brief introduction to MsgBox, and I'll talk about the higher level usage of MsgBox in the next video.